Hello! I am going to play ID Tornado again. Let's get started again. Now, I'm going to change this to something else now. Let's turn it into this type now. Wow, it's even better now. And let's make it even bigger. Wow, look at the size of it. Look! It's gigantic, and look, I already destroyed 84% of this map already. It only the first few seconds of this video. Wow, I'm so good at destruction. And look, I already destroyed the entire island. Well, I didn't destroy the entire island, but I did do a lot of damage. And let's become bigger now. And look, the ground is totally coming apart. Now I need to upgrade size again. Well, 86% has been destroyed. Well, they better run away. And look at the size of the tornado now. I have no idea. I think I turned it into a different type of water spout or something. I don't know, to be honest. Okay, now the tornado is so big. Or is it a water spout? I'm not sure anymore. It's so confusing. And look at the destruction. 87% has been destroyed already. And let's see, look at the size of it. And I already have the maximum number of mini tornadoes, so it's rather good now. Now let's keep tapping to get extra money. Yes, it's big now, look at the size of it now. 88% has been smashed. This is excellent news. And look, the ground is coming apart, and look, I already destroyed like most of the land, if you look closely. And look, the more I tap, the more faster it becomes. Well, who knows, the weather in this small island community is so bad. Now let's keep upgrading size and all the other stuff. Size is important. But I don't have enough money. Yes, now I have enough money. And 89% has been destroyed, as you can see. And look, more parts of the ground is coming apart. Well, this is excellent. Look at all that debris inside the tornado. Perfect. It's so much fun. It's gonna be the biggest destruction ever. And I already destroyed most of the buildings. And I also destroyed the 2 bridges and this city. Now let's keep upgrading. And all the other stuff. Should I upgrade speed? I don't know yet. Or should I change the appearance? No, I don't think I should. Yes, I'm going to have more upgrades now. But look at the destruction, is getting worse, and look. Now the ground is totally coming apart. The destruction is like I said, it's worse than any destruction I did in the previous videos. It's funny, I started in the water and look, I already spread to the land. Yes, I'm big enough to get a new upgrade. And let's upgrade size again. Well, size always matters in this game. But yeah, size. What can I do? Not much, obviously. Great. Now, what do I need to do now? Oh yes, size again. Now 91%, now it's 92% of the map, and look, the ground is totally coming apart, and let's upgrade the speed to maximize the destruction. Well, look how fast and big it is. People should run away. And maybe evacuate this island. This island is totally coming apart. Well, let's connect that diamond. The diamond is useful. Well, look at it. It became some kind of water spout. It's like I reversed it, but look, it doesn't look like the previous one I started with. It's different a bit. Anyway, let's keep prey and let's keep upgrading. Let's upgrade income and let's upgrade the speed. Wow, now you see we're faster. The destruction is so big. And like those little buildings in the background are going to be destroyed too. Everything's gonna be destroyed if I pay it correctly. Let's upgrade the speed again. The faster the better. Okay, I'm going to have enough money for another upgrade. And then the tornado is gigantic. The destruction is famous now. Let's upgrade speed again. And let's keep upgrading. Speed again, always good to have a speedy tornado. Yes, nearly there. Going to have enough money for the next size upgrade. Let's say upgrade size. Okay, let's upgrade the size. Now this is excellent progress. 92% of the map has been destroyed and close to winning this level. It is excellent work. Now let's keep upgrading. I wonder what will be in the next level. New upgrades? New appearances? No idea. Yes. No, that's... Say I had to absorb 250 items. That's very easy to do. Now, as you can see, I already done it so quickly. Now I say I need to get 3 gold items to win. I connected one of them and I need to find 2 more gold items. That's a diamond, but I still can't for some reason. And look at those tiny ones. They do a good damage too. Yes! Now let's upgrade size. Well, 96% of the map has been destroyed, and look, everything is coming apart now. Wow. This is excellent. I'm pretty sure that any more damage is going to totally come apart. That skyscraper there in the corner where the coins are appearing is going to be the next building to destroy. Wow, this tornado is so big now. At first it was a water spout, then it became so many different types, and now it's a different type of water spout. And look, it's still in the water. But regardless if it's in the water or not, it has done such damage. Well, 97% of the map has been destroyed. Wow, look at this. Destructionicals. And the bridge is nearly destroyed, as you can see. Still not much damage. And let's keep connecting those gold items that appear. Yes. Okay, it's 7 seconds. I'm going to have enough for the next size upgrade. Yes, I done it! Now let's upgrade. Wow, look at the size of it. And 98% of the map has been destroyed. 99% has been destroyed. Wow. Wow, I'm so close to the end of this level. Come on, let's do it. Let's earn enough money and destroy. I need to absorb 400 items and become bigger one more. Now it's likely I can evolve and go to the next city. Come on, let's do it. Okay, this is good. I'm so close to the end of this level. Just need to earn enough coins to go to the evolve part. Come on, let's do this. And look at the size, and look at those tiny ones. Even the tiny ones became bigger, I think. Wow. Oh, I nearly have enough money. Well, not yet, but nearly. It's already going to be enough money. Okay, it's going to be another 2 million coins. Yes, now I can evolve. Yes, it's my country now. And now I get to go to a new place. What's this? Upgrade speed. Oh great, I'm so tiny. Again. Now let's upgrade speed. I say I need to upgrade speed. And look, I am in the water again, but look, I managed to become different now. Now I have two of those mini water swamps, and I need to do the same again. I need to get out of the water and come onto land and destroy everything. As always. Yes, I'm going to reach the land. Hopefully I will do it. Now let's upgrade size. I want to get out of the water and totally smash everything apart. Wow, look at it. This little water spout is going to hit Nan for... I say I need to upgrade size again. Yes, I've done it. And let's upgrade income. And let's keep upgrading. And let's get another tiny one. Well, I think I already destroyed... Hey, I haven't even destroyed any buildings yet. This is outrageous. I only managed to destroy some bolts and other stuff and some pieces of land. Well, look at the size of this city. It's even bigger than the previous one. Let's go and destroy it. Wow, this is good. The new water spout is better, I think. And look, it even has color coming out of it. Stripes, to be precise. And let's keep upgrading. And let's upgrade size, let's upgrade speed. Speed is important, the better the speed, the better it is. Well, I think they should really evacuate there. I'm going to hit the land soon. Already. Wow. Those little boats are already inside the funnel already. And let's upgrade size. Size is so important in this game. Without size I cannot destroy anything at all. Now, I say don't tap for 20 seconds and I could earn some more money and use it to upgrade the tornado. I mean water spout. It's still a water spout because I haven't touched the land. Yes, I done it again. I'm becoming bigger. And that's it. That's all the time I have for today. See you soon. Goodbye.